Imagine you're standing in front of an ATM, card in hand, ready to withdraw some cash. You tap in your PIN, hit enter, and nothing happens. Ever been in that situation? Heart pounding, mind racing, and all you can think about is your forgotten ATM PIN. Today, we're going to dive into the world of YouTrip and answer the burning question, what's my ATM PIN for YouTrip? Understanding YouTrip. Before we get to the PIN, let's take a quick look at what YouTrip is. It's a multi-currency travel card that allows you to spend in over 150 currencies without hefty conversion fees. It's like having a world of financial freedom in your pocket. The PIN mystery. Now, the million-dollar question, where do you find your YouTrip ATM PIN? Unlike traditional bank cards, YouTrip doesn't provide a physical PIN. Instead, it uses a unique security feature called Dynamic PIN. Dynamic PIN, how it works. Dynamic PIN is a real-time generated PIN that changes every time you use your card. This extra layer of security helps protect your money from unauthorized access. Accessing your dynamic PIN. To access your dynamic PIN, you'll need to use the YouTrip app. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open the YouTrip app, make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on Card Details, this will show you your card information. Look for the Dynamic PIN section, it should be right below your card number. Tap on Generate PIN, this will create a new, unique PIN for your next transaction. Using your Dynamic PIN. Once you've generated your Dynamic PIN, you can use it to withdraw cash from ATMs or make purchases in stores. Just enter the PIN on the keypad and proceed with your transaction. Security tips. Remember, your dynamic PIN is only valid for that specific transaction. After you've completed it, a new PIN will be generated for your next use. Here are a few security tips to keep in mind. Never share your dynamic PIN, it's as unique as your fingerprint. Be cautious of phishing attempts, always verify the sender before clicking on any links or entering your card details. Enable two-factor authentication, this adds an extra layer of security to your YouTrip account. So, there you have it. Your ATM PIN for YouTrip is a dynamic, ever-changing code that you can access through the YouTrip app. By understanding how dynamic PIN works and following these security tips, you can enjoy the convenience of YouTrip without worrying about your financial information falling into the wrong hands. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about YouTrip or Dynamic PIN, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy travels.